what's poppin'? We're gonna be playing some football in the rain tonight. Let's do this right now.
Let's go.
So my brother's holding the phone.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah.
All right, we got the football. We got the rain.
What is there else we need? Let's go.
We're running right now.
I don't pass it.
One-handed that. I just one-handed that ball. My bad. As you can see, I made a bad throw. He's gonna throw it to me. Sorry, y'all. So, as you can see, playing football in the rain. It's getting, messed out. It's hard. Sorry about these throws. I'm holding the camera. It's very hard. He. Ooh.
Me versus Gerson. 2-hand touch.
All right.
Is that hike?
Oh, he got me. Two-hand. All right.
Oh, these glasses.
Let's just take turns each time. So,
Try this again. Let's try.
you got one more try, bro.
Is that
We
hike?
got 4. Oh, he got me. Oh, he's going. Oh, you got tagged.
No. It's a 2-hand. That what?
Whatever. Look. All right. You gotta say anything for that touchdown dance of yours?
I didn't do one.
You gotta say anything? Hey! Hitting the gritty. Sheesh.
Now Gerson has to hold it. I have to kick it.
All right.
It's like gloomy. It's not that nice.
Bro, it's so rainy right now.
Yeah, who cares?
Like, right now,
Football players don't mind.
it's so rainy.
Come here.
Kick it, bro.
No. Oh. Want me? One for me.
Here's the ball. I'm gonna run up. Oh, it's 2-hand. There he goes. Hey, let's go. Let's go, fam. Hit that gritty.
Now you have to kick it away.
All right, so right now, I'm gonna kick it. So, where the ball goes. Oh, he got another one. Yeah, guys, so look at my shoes. These shoes were white. There we go. Dime. This is a good kick. Okay, no. No. Oh.
Caught it.
Sorry.
Now what?
Hey. Oh.
I ain't with you.
And he got past me. So, there he is.
It's 14 to 6.
Kick that ball. Kick that ball. Oh. Hey. to film. Hey, that's on Kai. You gotta re-kick that. No. All right. Here we go.
Got you.
All right. I'm gonna say hike one more time. Ready? Hike. Sees no one open. He decides to scramble with it. Oh, and he falls.
I'm wet.
Hits that gritty. Oh, he comes right behind me. Oh, I'm down right before the end zone, boys. So, if you don't get a touchdown in 2 plays, I'm going to kick it to you.
What?
We're playing a game called Kick Chaos, like Kick Return Chaos or whatever you guys want to call it. So, that was the dot. But, all right, I'm going to re-kick that. Yeah, guys. Let's go. All right, so yeah, guys, we're gonna get kicking. Dang, shoot. Let's go, bruh. Let's go. Where are you gonna go? Oh. What's he gonna do? Ow. Vengeance! I got him, bro. I got revenge. Right now. Right here, right now. 6-year-old versus me.
Retry that.
My grandma can kick better than you. Oh shit! That came right at me. So, got the ball. Here's the plan. I got him, boys. I got him. I told you I'd get my revenge on that kid. So, here we go. Dang, it's pretty good. But it was on the ground. It should make it a lot slippery. You get it now? Sorry, you. Oh yeah. There it is, boys. His ankle's hurting.
My ball. Kick it.
All right.
Throw it.
Here we go. Hold up. Let me fix the camera. See this, guys? See the ball? It's over now. There. I don't know what's going on with the camera, boys. No! Oh my God. He beat me. Alright, go get a kick. I gotta run. Here's the ball. He's coming towards me a bit. Let's go, boy. Let's go. That's another touchdown.
Whoa. Kick it.
I'm gonna hit the gritty. So, guys, we're gonna do like 2 more drives. Then I think we'll go inside and post this so it can blow up. So, here we go. Oh! Broke my ankles. We got 1 more drive. 1 more. Yeah, 1 more drive.
I'm down here.
Oh, you got a kick.
No.
You just scored. Wait.
I literally kicked it.
Re-kick, bruh. So, yeah, guys. He's re-kicking to me. So, please share this with someone. Please sub. If you don't watch this without subbing, I'll come here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. Dexton, come here. We're going to end it. So, yeah, guys. We did pretty good.
Thank you.
All right, stop.
I won. I won the game.
Comment down below who you think won. So, who do you think won?
Me or him?
Me.
No.
Hit the gritty. Wait. Dude, stop. Dude.
Ah!
No.
I won!
You did win. Stop. Dexton. Oh, my bad. All right, guys. We're going to end it there. Say peace.
Peace, bro.
See you, boys.